Say hi, Gooch. Say hi. Good boy. Alright, here we got a little fun project. Since I am waiting on some parts still for the quad build that didn't come in, this thing's going to sit there like that for the weekend. But in the meantime, something I've been wanting to do and try out, this new Dupli-Color Metalcast paint. Looks pretty interesting. It's supposed to be like an anodized spray paint. See how that works. I've seen some, that's right. Does it taste good? I've seen some guys on YouTube use it on some stuff. So I was going to try to experiment. Maybe I'll paint the BANSHEE frame with this stuff if it comes out cool. My experiment is I'm going to be painting it over some other stuff that I bought just to see what it looks like, because this is like a transparent type deal. So I'm going to spray it over this gold, Rust-Oleum gold, and then I got these glitters, Rust-Oleum glitter and the silver glitter, and then just a regular, supposed to be like a chrome or whatever, but it's probably just going to be like a silverish color. So we're going to be spraying these on test panels individually, and then we'll be spraying these individually over the test panels just to see how it comes out. I got my, well, that's bright. I got my test panel set up, and I'm going to prime it first because this is just like some flashing. I guess this is like aluminum flashing. So I'm going to spray this stuff with primer first, let it dry, and then I'll start with my base coats and see what happens when I do this over them. And I'm not sure if this stuff dries with like a sheen, with like a clear sheen, or if it's flat. I'm not 100% sure. So I ended up getting some clear too, so let's see what it looks like when I clear it. And I'm also going to do a test panel with just blue, just a regular blue color. And then maybe I'll spray this transparent blue over this blue just to see what happens. I don't know. Kind of should just see what happens. So let me go ahead and start priming these test panels. Alright, so now the test panels are primed, onto some of the funner stuff. I got 4 test panels. I have 4 base coats that I'm going to use. I got that chrome silver thing. It's metallic finish, whatever it's called. Bright coat chrome. It's probably just going to be like a silver. Then I got these sparkle stuff. Glitter silver. And then there's a glitter gold. And then there's just a regular gold. Rust-Oleum regular gold. I'm going to start with the gold. I'll do one test panel with the gold. So I sprayed the other test panel with the chrome, with the silver chrome, Rust-Oleum silver chrome. Just a regular silver chrome. Then what I noticed with the sparkle stuff is that it doesn't really have a color. It's just, you can see the primer on the bottom. It's just the glitter that comes out. It's like glitter with clear. This is the silver clear, or the chrome clear, whatever. And you can still see the gray primer. I wasn't expecting that. And this is like the gold glitter. You can see the gold. And you still see the gray primer underneath, so I think these are best sprayed over the test panels. Like if you're doing the gold glitter, do it over the gold. And same thing with the silver, do that over the chrome or the silver base. But I'm going to do these, maybe I'll tape it off and do like separate sections just to see what happens. I'm kind of curious to see what this stuff looks like over the base. I don't know, we'll see what happens. I'm going to mix it up. Alright, so I did the test panels sections with the blue Metalcast. We'll start with the silver chrome, just a regular silver chrome base. And then I did the blue Metalcast on the top. Looks pretty nice. It takes a few coats to get some coverage because this stuff's transparent and it doesn't really cover that well, so you need to do like 2 or 3 good coats for it to actually cover the base. That looks pretty nice though. It's got a nice look to it. That's the silver one. And I did that over the gold, which has a different look to it. pretty cool. It's more like a greenish aqua color with the gold. And then I did it over the metal, or the glitter ones. This kind of gives you like a, this actually looks really cool. This just gives you like a really heavy metal flake type look, which is really awesome. This is the silver glitter with the blue metal cast over it. And then this is the gold glitter with the metal, or the blue metal cast over it. I don't know if you can really see it on camera, but in person there's a little bit of a difference between the gold and the silver. The way it looks. I might try to do another test panel with like a base, with like a silver base or a blue base coat, and then do the glitter stuff over the blue base coat, and then try doing the metal cast over that. Alright, so that's the blue. The next one I'm going to do is the purple metal cast. This stuff, I'm going to do this purple stuff on the lower sections here, just to see what the difference is. And then we'll review that. Alright, let's do the purple review. I just did purple. Metal cast over the pieces here. Let's see. This is over the silver chrome, just a regular silver chrome. See that? The center sections I'm going to save. I'm going to do the glitter stuff in the centers of these just to see what. And then I'll have to do metal cast over the glitter just to see what happens. That's the purple and the blue difference. Let's look at the gold one. This is the gold base with the purple. Looks really nice actually. Purple over the gold. And the blue actually looks pretty nice too now. It seems like this stuff dries more. It seems to lay out and look a little bit better once it's dry. That's the gold. And then this is going to be the silver glitter test panel here. Silver glitter with the gold. See that? With the purple metal cast and the blue metal cast. Looks really cool. And then this is going to be the gold glitter panel. This is the gold metal flake glitter, whatever you want to call it. Not too much of a difference, I don't know. There might be a little bit of a difference there, but maybe when the sun hits it only, I mean. Not too much of a difference. Alright, I'm going to do some glitter over these panels, over the bases, and then metal cast over those, so we'll see how that turns out. And this is what I'm using to separate the paints. Some interesting stuff going on there. Maybe I'll do the blue over the purple, or the purple over the blue metal cast and see what happens too. Okay, so I sprayed the glitter over these base panels on the section. And it didn't really, I don't know, it didn't react too well on that center section where it's just silver base. The glitter kind of doesn't look out too well. It's kind of like hazy in some reflections. The purple doesn't look too bad. And the blue doesn't look too bad with that over it. But the silver, the chrome center section doesn't look very good at all. I don't know if there's like a reaction with the clears or the paints or whatever, or maybe I didn't let it dry long enough before I put the glitter over it, but you can see it on the gold panel too. It didn't really react too well. The gold over the gold doesn't look bad. Gold over the blue. It's got like a funky reaction going on. But now I'm going to put the metal cast over that just to see what happens. Put some purple metal cast over these. Alright, just did purple metal cast over the test panels. This was the test panel with the silver glitter. The chrome test panel with the silver glitter. I did the purple over the blue. I don't know if you can see that. It looks pretty cool. I figured try it over the blue. And that's just over the silver with the glitter. And then glitter and then purple metal cast over the purple piece. So that's what that looks like. Hopefully you can see this stuff. But I found out that the more coats of this metal cast stuff that you put down, the better, because it's so transparent. It's like a candy. It's like a candy apple type deal. This is the gold test panel with the glitter. This has gold glitter, and then purple Metalcast over that. It didn't react very well, but I'm assuming that's just because I'm not letting this stuff dry. Just kind of pouring it on. But the purple over the purple looks good. Purple over the blue, a little bit dark. You can see that difference. Alright. And then I did purple Metalcast over the panels that I did not have a base coat. So this is just regular silver, the glitter, silver glitter, over the blue. Because you already know what it looks like over this side over here. So I did a purple Metalcast over the blue Metalcast. So that's what that looks like. Kind of hard to see, I don't know. But it looks good in person. And then this was the gold glitter panel with purple Metalcast over the blue Metalcast. It's hot out today, which is good. Stuff's drying fast. That's just a regular purple there, and then you can see it's a little bit darker on the blue side. I don't know if you can really see it, but in the sun it looks really good. Next I'm going to do the blue Metalcast. Same scenarios, I'm just going to do blue Metalcast over this stuff. Look what's going on here. I don't know if you can see that, but that looks pretty wild. The more coats of this stuff you put on, the better it looks. Like the deeper, richer it gets. Let's see what that looks like at the end. Alright, I'm going to do blue Metalcast now. Alright, I did the blue Metalcast on the test panels. First test panel here, this is blue Metalcast over purple Metalcast. This is on the silver glitter panel. That looks really good. I like that a lot. That's probably my favorite so far. The blue Metalcast over purple Metalcast with the silver glitter panel. And then there is blue Metalcast over purple. This is on the gold glitter panel. That's what the blue looks like over the purple. And that's what the purple looks like over the blue. Difference there. And then we got blue Metalcast over just regular purple Metalcast. This is on the gold test panel. And it's blue over blue. You can see the more coats you put on, the better it gets. Because that center section is just a couple coats over gold. This is like 3 or 4 coats, 5 coats. And that's over the purple Metalcast. See the difference there? And then the last panel, this is over the chrome silver panel. This is blue over blue. Again, you can see the difference. The more coats you put on, the better. And that's it over the purple Metalcast. Purple Metalcast, there you go. Which is kind of a cool color. I'm going to try to do some extra panels. I'm going to do it just over the bare metal on the back, just to see what the Metalcast looks like on the bare metal. Kind of like that. That's like a really nice purplish color right there. Purplish blue cobalt type of color. That's blue Metalcast over purple Metalcast on just a regular silver panel. It's really nice. I like that a lot. Hopefully you can see that color. There it is. It's like a nice cobalt transparent. That's one of my favorites. And then this blue over purple with the silver glitter. It's pretty nice too. Let's see, it's almost like the cobalt, same deal, but it's just got a more sparkle to it. I'm going to do a test panel with just the metal, and then I'm going to do a test panel with just a blue base, just a regular blue base. See what happens there. Alright, finished up some other test panels just to see what they would look like. This is on just a bare metal test panel with no base coat on it. You can see the Metalcast works best on this, I think. It's what it's made for, you know, to go over bare metal, but you can see over here I did some purple over blue Metalcast there up in the corner, and on the bottom I did a blue over purple, which is my favorite so far. It's like a cobalt, comes out like a cobalt. But this stuff works best over bare metal, in my opinion, if you have a nice clean surface. If you don't, I don't know, maybe you can polish it or do something else. I did another test panel here. This is with a blue base. Came up with some glitter on the side here just to see what it would do, and then blue Metalcast over that. Really doesn't make a difference. Just like a shinier blue, glossier blue. Doesn't really do anything.
And then I just did some purple Metalcast over the blue base, just to see if it would do anything. Just gives it like a nice purpley transparent, really not much of an effect there. So the best ones that I did, I ended up clearing these. I think it looks best when they're cleared. But if you put a bunch of clear on there, it looks really good because it kind of takes the grain away from the glitter. But that's probably my favorite. It's going to be the blue over the purple Metalcast. This is probably my favorite color right here. This is going to be this is on the silver glitter panel. This is the blue over the purple Metalcast with some clear over it. It looks probably the best for me. That's like my favorite. If you put some more clear on it, kind of bury the grain of the glitter, it probably looks the best, in my opinion. So that's one of my favorites right there. End result. That is blue Metalcast over purple Metalcast over silver glitter, and then cleared. And then that was that one. Same effect there is blue over purple, but this is with the gold glitter.